All right, guys, what's going on? Acquisitions Lou here.
Joel signing in.
We are here, and I'm smiling. Now, you may be wondering, why am I smiling? I'm smiling because we had a closing. Guys, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you like this content.
So guys, this is different, okay? We don't offer coaching, but a lot of you do need help and you've asked for help. We do offer consulting services. So we'll come into your business, help out, and grow together. Links in the description, but let's go on.
So today, we got a deal breakdown for you guys. Stay tuned, let's talk about it.
All right, guys, so we're smiling because we worked so hard for these deals. Today, we closed a deal in Texas, one of our best markets, one of the biggest markets in the nation. So let's talk about it. So on this one, I did the acquisitions on it. The seller was working with builders and he was also getting other offers. And so I had to wait about a month before he was ready to move forward. Initially, the numbers were, I started at 165. And we agreed after negotiations at a purchase price of 187.5.
On this property, okay, I know you guys like to know about the ARVs. The ARV on this property was about $600,000. That's how you know it was a good deal. All right, rehab was about half that. The rehab was about $300,000 on this property.
Guys, a few issues that we encountered, right? Because we always talk about the problems we face with these deals. So on this deal, believe it or not, the only problem was one of the buyers forgot to put the key in the lockbox. That was it. Everything else was clean. The seller was sharp. He sent his insurance funds to his mortgage lender. They paid off the mortgage, so we didn't have to deal with all that. There were no delays. The seller was cooperative, extremely nice, and believe it or not, after that first acquisitions call, it was a 2-call close. The only communication he wanted was via text, right? So on this deal, we made a good 5 figures. We'll say the number at the end, how much we made. But guys, some sellers just want to talk over text. They don't want to talk on a call. So you got to just make it work. All right, guys, I take that back. There was a second problem on this deal. The first buyer fell through. And guys, you have to plan for this. You need backup buyers or your whole deal could blow up. The first buyer wanted a 3-week close and he still fell through. After the 3 weeks, he ghosted completely. So we rushed to get a backup buyer to close in 1 week so this deal wouldn't blow up. So the first buyer, his EMD was ours, 5K EMD. It goes in our pocket. And the next buyer, we made him put up more EMD money to make sure he can actually close in a week. And this buyer was a true cash buyer, no hard money. That's why he was able to close in a week. So guys, if you are under this time crunch and you need to close your deals fast, you need to find a buyer who has proof of funds with the funds in his bank account, no hard money loans, and guys, you will get it done. All right, guys, sorry for being all over the place, but the seller on this deal, he did have a higher offer, and the offer came in as soon as he agreed to mine. So mine was lower by a couple thousand, but the seller, because I built rapport on that first initial call, week after week, just saying, hey, I don't mean to annoy you. I'm just here trying to figure out how I could help out. If there's any questions you have, any confusion you get from the builder, from the insurance company, I'm here to help you, whether we do a deal together or not. And through that rapport, the seller trusted me and said, hey, I'm gonna keep my word. I'm gonna go with you even though I have a higher offer. And guys, that's the kind of acquisitions that Lou does every day, that I do. We are helpers. People first, money last. That's how you get these deals. And this is how you make big spreads on these deals, because you earn the seller's trust.
Right. Talk about this all the time, guys. This is a rapport building business and the rest will come. All right, guys, so now for the moment you all been waiting for. I know you've been waiting and watching this video till the end to find out how much we made on this deal. Guys, we made a little over $60,000 on this deal. I'm going home. No, I'm not going home. I'm not going home, but listen, over $60,000 on this deal. We had a happy client, okay? We always talk about building a brand, making sure you have somewhere where your sellers can do reviews. He's putting in a review for us. He's genuinely happy. He can't wait to see the new house built. And listen, guys, another happy client, more money in our pocket, and he's gonna keep us in mind. You know, if anyone else down the line is dealing with the same distress that he's dealing with, he knows that to send them our way.
So guys, remember, build your brand, be the subject matter expert. When new sellers come, motivated sellers come to your site looking to sell their property, even if they get a cold call from you or they get a mailer from you, whatever it is, they see your credibility through those true stories from the happy sellers you've worked with. So guys, I'm signing out. If you guys want consulting, you want our help to build a brand, to help get your business off the ground, we offer consulting services, links in the description. Anything else, Lou?
I think that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the subscribe button if you can. We got more giveaways and more knowledge and just everything coming soon. Until the next one, peace.
Peace.